Hello everybody. So we're going to continue from the last problem, and this final problem asks us to solve for Gibbs free energy as a function of T, V, and N. So it's asking for this, and I've left all of this up here on purpose. Once again, it's asking us to solve for G in terms of T, V, and N, okay? Now, the reason I left all of this up here, now, if you know that G is equal to this. Let me write this in green. G is equal to Gibbs free energy is equal to sorry, I'm just trying to yes, Gibbs free energy is equal to this, okay? What I want you to realize is that, so once you sort of, you've tackled like Legendre transforms and everything, you know that this whole thing, so U plus PV minus TS minus mu N equals 0, okay? That's just a fact, okay? And what I want us to see is that this whole thing right here is Gibbs free energy. So that being said, G minus mu N equals 0, okay? And what they're asking us to solve for here is G in terms of T, V, and N, meaning that the only variables I want in my final answer are T, V, and N, okay? I've already gotten mu as a function of T, V, and N. This whole thing is mu as a function of T, V, and N, okay? Now, if I want G as a function of T, V, and N, I can go ahead and say this. Since this mu is going to be, we have this mu as a function of T, V, and N, right? I can say that G is equal to mu times N. Me multiplying another N doesn't change the fact that it's still going to be a function of T, V, and N, okay? So G is equal to mu times N. So I'm going to write that by the side here, just so we have reference for it. G is equal to mu times N, okay? So if I want to solve for G now, right, I can literally just take this whole thing and multiply it by N. So mu is equal to this, right? I'm just going to do this. I'll just do this. Okay, do I really, okay. I'm trying to see if I want to be lazy or not. I could really just take brackets and put times N of the whole thing, okay? But I'm going to say that G equals, since it's mu times N, this whole thing right here is already mu, right? So if I want to have an N, I can just say times nRT ln of this, right? This thing would just become n squared RT 5 over 2 nr, and then this multiplied by n just cancels out, and then I just get plus 5 over 2. So this is what you get for your G in terms of T, V, and N is equal to this. That's that. And this is the last question that they asked us in terms of this. So we've completed all of those, what they asked us to solve for when they gave us this fundamental entropy law, okay? Or this equation for this fundamental entropy, let me say that. So really what you need to do in terms of, in situations like this, you just need to sort of mess around, play around with like what you already know, right? To sort of determine, because like we didn't really bring in, really what we just had to use like product rule, and we used the rules that we've already had. We just took that fundamental first law, right? And applied calculus to it. And we ended up with this. Sure, it looks disgusting, honestly. I don't even know what this is. But it's just math at the end of the day. Hopefully my math is correct and everything, and that's what you end up getting. So if anything was unclear, like please don't hesitate to ask questions in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's keep learning Thermo. Thank you.